Of fresh meat, chefs can create a wide range of dishes from classics to innovative creations. You will no longer have to struggle when dealing with sturdy bones. Instead, this convenient tool will help you remove bones quickly and effectively. Seeing the sharp working blade, we can feel the performance and precision of the automatic bone breaker. Sharp blades help cut bones quickly and accurately, minimizing blade wear and increasing production efficiency. Thin slicing of meat through a machine is a technical process that can be performed with precision and uniformity. When you see the meat slicer in action, you will feel its precision and performance. By combining the foil folding machine and the labeling process in the production process, a protective covering is created for the chocolate, keeping the product free from moisture or dust during transportation and storage. Reserve. The Stubbly Scar robot is used to stack poker chips in a toy factory. This robot can stack poker chips quickly and accurately, helping to improve production efficiency. The Stubbly Scar robot is the perfect solution for stacking poker chips. The food industry is seeing a boom with new technologies that promise to completely change the way food is produced, helps food manufacturers increase productivity, improve product quality, and meet the increasing demands of consumers. The Veripack VKF70 thermoforming vacuum packaging machine operates on the principle of using high temperatures to heat and press preform plastic films, forming airtight cheese bags. This process helps remove oxygen from the cheese bag, preventing the growth of bacteria and mold, helping to preserve fresh products for a long time. On a modern production line, the dumpling production machines operate non-stop. The crust is placed on the mold, the filling is inserted, then the machine skillfully folds the edges, forming lovely white dumplings. The machine is capable of producing wonton wrappers with uniform thickness, size and shape, ensuring high product quality and outstanding production efficiency. With a capacity of up to 120 pieces per hour, this machine not only helps increase production productivity, but also ensures quality and uniformity in the packaging process. Have you enjoyed the unique flavor and seductive aroma of rum pum noodles? It has become a popular dish loved by many people. The softness and chewiness of the noodles combined with the rich flavor of the broth create a wonderful culinary experience. Does looking at those cakes with attractive outer shells and delicious flavors make you feel interesting? What makes them unique? Please comment below. This machine's unique system is known for its ability to optimize the decoration and seasoning process of food products. With flexibility and efficiency, this system helps increase productivity and final product quality. Automatic plastic cup filling and sealing machine is an effective device for packaging sauce products. With full automation, the machine saves time and manpower while minimizing errors in the production process. Look at the series of chocolate bags being produced with modern production lines in a short time. Rice cakes and Chinese apples when combined together create an interesting combination between the sweet taste of rice cakes and the fresh taste of Chinese apples. This is an exciting dish. Have you tried it yet? A unique device that creates a uniquely delicious dish. With its attractive beauty, unique aroma and rich flavor, pizza is not only a dish but also a work of culinary art. With this durian blender, manufacturers and chefs can create high-quality durian.